Growth hacking. Growth hacking refers to strategies that expand your company's influence, sales, and reach. Typically, growth hacking techniques are used by startups on limited budgets who want to achieve significant brand growth over a short period of time. The ultimate purpose of any growth hacking strategy is to get as many new customers or users as fast as possible while spending a minimum amount. Growth hackers are sometimes called growth marketers, but growth hacking differs from marketing because it focuses solely on strategies that grow a business swiftly. Growth hacking involves a few different elements, from planning and researching to testing and implementing, and then analyzing to check what's working. To growth hack successfully, you first need to set growth priorities, areas of your brand where you require the most expansion quickly. Then, you must identify the channels that will give you maximum customer acquisition. Finally, you must measure your success so you can learn to scale effectively. So, how does growth hacking work exactly? By discovering how you grow and why, you can look for ways to create growth on purpose. A key way to start growth hacking is to raise as much awareness of your company as possible. The goal is to first get traffic, then to turn that traffic into customers or users, and lastly, to keep those customers by ensuring they get what they want. Get growth hacking in 3 easy steps. So first, create an amazing product or service. First, make sure that what you can offering is the best it can be. Has your product or service been designed based on the existing wants or desires of your target audience? Do market research so you can find out what your ideal customer really needs, then create a prototype and test it out on the section of your target demographic. Monitor their feedback and improve areas that require attention, always making sure to keep your key customer firmly in mind whenever you make a change. Would they need this new benefit? What does your ideal customer really want from a product or service like yours? Keep it fresh. It's a good idea to offer regular product updates so you can keep on top of any industry changes and to tailor your offering to suit customers' current circumstances, and use this data to add new features or enhancements. Promote smartly. The idea here is to continually market so you can encourage continual growth. When you start to appear in as many places as possible, your brand sticks in the minds of your potential customer. You don't just want to spend endlessly though, so track the results you get from your paid ad campaigns to make sure that they're delivering. A and B tests can be great for discerning what ad copy works better, while experimenting with different conversion optimization techniques to find out what makes your ideal customer press purchase will help you cut down your ad spend. Growth hacking strategies you can start using right now to expand your brand. There are many different techniques you can employ to increase your brand's reach, but most of them fall into one of the 3 main areas. Content marketing to get people talking. This can be an excellent way to spread the word without blowing a limited budget. Content marketing includes blogging and sharing your information, providing useful content, guest blogging, sharing social media content, creating free ebooks to give away as bonus subscriber or sign-up gifts, podcasting, running free webinars, holding competitions or free giveaways, getting influencers to review your product or getting your product reviewed on a prominent blog, joining niche forums, groups, and subreddits and get talking about relevant topics related to your product, email marketing campaigns, content visibility optimization strategies like SEO, and getting mentioned, featured, or listed on authority sites or having your content shared there. Product promotion. The goal of product promotion is to make your target demographic aware of what you're selling, and to do this, your marketing needs to tap into their desires to make your product seem as appealing as possible. Successful growth hacking techniques you can employ to promote your products include leverage FOMO, which is the fear of missing out, by employing exclusivity. Make your forum invite only, have an area of your website which is only accessible to those that ask, or have a great giveaway that's available only if people sign up to your email list. Gamifying your onboarding process. Users love it when you gamify sign-up tasks and then give them rewards for their efforts. If something is harder to get, people want it more. So have people complete a fun game before they can access your email list, or give them a short challenge to complete before they get more access. Offer useful incentives for new user referrals that benefit referrer and the user. Giving away gifts or bonuses to users that bring in more traffic is an excellent way to boost your reach without any extra hassle. Make your bonuses as enticing as you can and don't give them away anywhere else for free, and people will be much more likely to refer people so that they can get them. Cross promotion and affiliate marketing. You can create affiliate schemes where users earn a percentage or when you get a new sign up or customer and have people act as your online sales reps. Or you can partner up with a relevant brand and agree to cross promote or refer users. By doing this, you automate part of your marketing process and dramatically speed up how fast your brand grows. Influencer marketing. Getting key influencers to promote your products who have an audience that wants what you're selling is one of the most effective ways to growth hack. This is different than getting influencer reviews, which could come under content marketing, as in this case, influencers are actively endorsing your product. Advertising for growth. Don't forget paid ads. They can give a big boost if your brand doesn't yet have many users or customers. You can advertise on social media channels like Facebook or Instagram, but make sure you monitor your target audience first to find out what they want. Save more money by checking your ad metrics regularly using the free analytics tools that will often be provided. They will help you get a good overview of your ad performance so you can see where you're going right with your ads and where you need to improve. You can also use PPC, which is pay-per-click ads, like Google Ads to start showing up on the Google Advertising Network as well as in the search results. Again, do your market research first so you can create an ad with appeal, use metrics, and constantly experiment with your ad creatives to see what gives you the best results.